welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a quick, easy and simple recipe for collard greens in the Instant Pot. This is probably my favorite way to make greens. It's so simple and it doesn't require much. So to get started, I have the collard greens here already chopped and washed, and I'll be using some smoked turkey necks. You can use ham hocks if you like. I have some chicken broth as well as onions, celery, and bell peppers. I also have some garlic as well as my seasoning here, which I will leave everything that I use listed down in the description box. I also have some apple cider vinegar and a pinch of sugar. Let's jump into the recipe. So I have my Instant Pot on the saute setting. I have it set to 8 minutes. I will add some butter. I already added some oil. And once that butter melts, we'll go in with our aromatics. You want to add your bell pepper, celery, garlic, onion. We'll allow these to saute for about 8 minutes, like I said, and then we'll move on to the next step. Next, you want to go in with the chicken broth as well as the vinegar, sugar, the seasonings. You want to give it a good mix, then we'll add our smoked turkey neck. We'll also add the greens. Basically, we're adding everything here and just cover this and allow it to pressure for about 30 minutes. Once this is done, the greens will be perfectly cooked. It's not overcooked or mushy or none of that. The greens are nice and tender, just the way I love it. This is how I like my greens. And instead of cooking it for hours and hours to get it that way, this is just quick, easy and simple, guys. You know, some people like to believe that cooking your greens for hours and hours makes it better, but trust me, once you season your greens really well, it doesn't matter how long or short you cook it, it will be amazing. Because I've tasted greens that has been cooked for hours and hours and it was bland and flavorless. And I've tasted greens that was cooked, you know, in a short period of time, like with a pressure cooker or a Instant Pot, and it was amazing because it all depends on how you season your greens. So once the greens is added, we will cover it, like I said, and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. And then I'll show you guys what they look like. So after about 30 minutes, this is what the greens look like. It is so amazing. Trust me, when you try this recipe, you will not be disappointed. It is perfectly cooked. The greens are not mushy or overcooked in my opinion. Now, if you like your greens crunchy and you want it to have a bite to it, you can do it for about 20 minutes. But I like my greens nice and tender, and this is just perfect. My entire family love it this way. I love it, and this is my favorite way to make greens. Now what you want to do next is taste. Make sure that it suits your liking. Add your flavor, whatever. And you want to go ahead and shred the meat off of the turkey necks. Once the meat is shredded off of the necks, this is what it should look like. And you can now go ahead and, you know, transfer this to your serving dish. And that's it. Quick, easy, and simple. So I did serve this up with some potato salad, barbecue ribs, fried chicken, and some rice and peas. And it was amazing. I totally enjoyed it. And I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.